Alright guys, well, I don't know if you guys remember, but 2 years ago when I was in Pittsburgh for the Taylor tour, I ended up meeting a couple cool guys. Their names is Brock and Rex, and Brock actually owns this bar and they're having a Christmas party. I was delivering like 30 minutes away, so I decided to stop by and we're getting a little rowdy. Oh! Woo! Come on! Alright, well, it is Monday morning and we are here and just dropped the trailer, so I'm gonna look on the load board and see what we can find going west and, you know, head home for a couple days. But yeah, here we go. Alright, well, we found a load going to North Dakota, Grand Forks, so a little over 1,000 miles. So just under $2 a mile. It's a Mack end dump trailer, so should look good. But yeah, we're like 2 hours away, so we'll head there and head for Grand Forks. Alright, we got our trailer. Of course, the one trailer that doesn't have polished rims, but it still looks good. But here we go, Grand Forks. It is Tuesday morning. We're about 3.5 hours out from Grand Forks, North Dakota. So we'll get there today and then hopefully find something close home. But if not, then we're just gonna go home. I mean, it's little over 300 miles, but we'll get this trailer dropped and then yeah, see what we can find. What it is. Alright, well, we got our counterweights in our trailer. We're hooked up. We are a little heavy, not like overweight though. We are heading to Highmore, South Dakota, about 280 miles. So it takes about 4.5 hours to get there. Get there about 1 o'clock in the morning and hopefully he'll just drop her. And then head for home. But first, let's get some Jake brake action. Come on now. get some different angles for you guys. So here we go. This trailer, it's just I don't know, like a step deck with some counterweights on it for grain. Gets us home, and then we'll head home, do a couple things to the truck, and then see what else we can find before Christmas. Alright, we made it to the spot, so just gonna unhook and then head for home. Yeah. Got a couple things to do on the truck, just small stuff, fix a tank strap, change a steer tire, and maybe a little bit of lighting. But yeah, so gonna head to Ridge's shop and do that, and Ridge is gonna help me with that. So get that knocked out and then see if we can find anything on the load board in the next day or two. So this is my passenger steer tire. As you guys can see, it's wearing pretty good on the inside, so definitely need to get changed out. So Ridge is hooking me up. He's got a new one right here. We'll match that other side pretty good. The other side still looks brand new. I mean, yeah, no wear. It's just, I don't know, it's weird. So hopefully it's just a bad tire or whatever. And so we're gonna change that out and hopefully it'll be good. No more wobble. Yeah, buddy. Let's go. We working today. All right. Getting the rigs lined up. Ridge is gonna pull his right next to mine. Gonna be looking good. Up, 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 up. Got the rigs lined up. Looking good. Let's go, baby. Thanks to Ridge and his freaking big ass shop. Let's go, baby. Yeah. Sounds good. Oh, 12 valve Commons. So it is Monday now, and Christmas Eve is actually tomorrow, but I ended up getting a load from Mitchell to Grand Junction, Colorado, and I'll deliver that Thursday or Friday. And the reason I'm going out here is to spend Christmas with a friend of mine, and that way she doesn't spend it by herself. This load pays $2,600, so not bad. It's just a brand new step deck or drop deck trailer, I believe. All right.